G'day guys, Outback Outlaw here. Gonna do an unboxing of some Olights, and they make torches. Alright, so this little one here is a LED flashlight. It's got a mono output and it sits on your keychain. So I'll quickly open this one and see what that looks like. A bit of a pull tab here. Lift this up. And pull the tab. You can see the little LED light there. Comes in a small plastic pouch. It says read me before you first use, unscrew the light head, remove the insulating film inside the light head before putting the light head back on. Okay, so nice little keychain torch. Some distractions inside that tell you how to operate it. So unscrew this. You can see there's a little green piece there, a little yellow piece actually. Get rid of that. That's fine. Screw that back on. Wow. Gee, she's bright. That's very bright. Cool. Alright, well that's that one. I'll turn that one off. The second one is a simple but special limited edition torch. It's a press button up here. It's probably got some batteries in it. I don't think it'll be rechargeable, but we'll see how we go. So just I'll get rid of this stuff here. That's it. Got myself my Leatherman here. Alright. Slide straight off. And the card. Okay, you need to unscrew the top of it again. Comes in a nice little box. Very nice. Aluminium finish. And you put that on your camping bag, or if you're on your bike, you could put it on your inside your jacket. So I'll take this off. You can see that little yellow piece in there again. Take that out. Wow, definitely very bright. Okay, I'm happy with that. It's a good torch, good little torch. The next one is a pen light. Oh, yep, here we go. Very good. Oh wow, it comes in a nice plastic bag. Oh, this one's chargeable. Wow. Wow, look at that. So you've got your pen, your ballpoint pen, and you've got your USB to C, I think it is, USB to C. Yep, USB to C to charge the panel. Wow, this is heavy. This is really heavy. Amazing. Wow. That's where it charges there. Charges in there. It's producing a little red light, which means it's probably not charging. I haven't read the instructions. You press this lever here and that brings the pen out. I'll have to read the instructions, but that's a sweet little light, that one. Nice. I'm going to leave this one to last and I'll do this one now. Very satisfying. Oh, wow. This is smaller than I thought it would be. Wow. The quality's just so good. It's alright, it says long press before first use, so I'll do a long press. There you go. It's a nice little lamp. Little camping lamp. I'd be able to take this on the motorbike. And if I have to pull over and camp on the side of the road or at a camp spot, I'll be able to use this little Olight. Inside the box here is the charging unit. So it's a microfiber cleaning cloth, flickering flame light that goes inside. Wow, that's awesome. If that takes off, yep, right on. Wow, check it out. Not sure if you can see that. There you go. Flickering light. How cool is that? This is the charging station. So you've got this round magnetic piece that hooks onto the bottom, as you can see, straight on, and then it's got the USB to charge, so you charge it up that way. Last but not least is this one here. This is 2100 lumens. It throws up to 500 meters, the light beam itself, so I'm really looking forward to this one because I've been always wanting to have a nice torch that actually has a good beam. Great product, this Olight, just awesome product. SkidPig got me onto the Olights. He did a video on the Olight, and they had a special, and I thought, well, I'll give it a go. Oh yeah, it's a magnetic box. Oh wow, check it out. Thank you for being part of our Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy. So there's some insulating film in this torch as well. Wow, comes in a case. That has a satisfying magnetic click to it. Awesome. Sits on your belt. It's got some Velcro in there, but it can sit on your belt, so you can walk around with it when you're in bush. And yeah, pull it out. Take this off first. That yellow tab there again. Now these are rechargeable batteries because this is a magnetic recharge torch. Alright. Wow, the build quality is just absolutely awesome. Here's the charging station. And that sits right on there. Nice snap to it. Bang, straight on there. And then she'll be charged up. So guys, if you're looking for some really good torches, check Olight out. You just look them up on the internet. Olight.com.au is the website. I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll do some shots outside and I'll film them as well so you can actually see what the light's like for this particular Olight blue torch. And I'll take the little camping one out as well and give that a shot. Alright, thanks guys, appreciate you watching. Catch you later. Outback Outlaw. Right, this is the 2100 lumens down to the trees. Wow, this is an amazing torch. Absolutely amazing. Oh, the dog's pissing. And then there's obviously this one here.